Hello everyone. I wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year 2025, and this is going to be the first video of the year 2025. We are here to analyze how the Indian market, Nifty, Bank Nifty especially, are poised, and how do we expect the next or upcoming week to deliver for Indian market. Now, interestingly, the chart that I have in front of me, Nifty 50 as well as Bank Nifty, a combined chart on a weekly time frame, and that is in a way telling us the bottom, recent time bottom that has been formed, and from that level we are sustaining, holding on to this crucial 78-point retracement level. Now this weekly candle is pretty interesting. There's a volatile action that has taken place in the last week, and after unnatural gains on Thursday, Bank Nifty managed to wipe out all the gains on Friday. Still, it is a very interesting picture, and now to me it seems that only the high and low of last weekly candle, that matters in the upcoming days, and this one candle is good enough to guide us for the next probably entire 1 month. Why I am saying so? So let us get into it. Let us get into the analysis part and understand how do we expect market to move in coming days. So let me just take you on a Nifty chart. This is a dedicated Nifty chart wherein we had calculated a next bullish action possible above this level of 23,938. So price managed to cross this particular level, it just managed to cross 24,000 as an important resistance, and it actually closed the gap, it bridged the gap target of 24,150. This target also got completed, and right now it is retracing, trying to form a higher low so that the next leg of up move can be seen. So right now we can see, all we can see is that this range is going to be interesting one. Let us calculate target for the next phase of bull run or next leg of up move, and then accordingly understand the range as well. Okay, so let me just remove this path because this action is done now, a retracement of 78%, and from there was again a sell off, finally forming a bottom, and then now it has just taken in a bullish manner a short retracement on a Friday. That's still okay. The gap is filled, so that is the essential part of it. So this target of 24,150 is completed. Let me just remove this next bullish tag, let just be there, and let me remove this part as well. Now we'll have this particular retracement tool with us, right? Because this is one part from where we are going to get the next leg of up move. But so my expectation is somewhere like in a longer term, I would say next 2 to 3 months, we should be able to take out above this high, and from there this 25,291 is one possible target. Then 25,500 comes, and if it manages to cross this 25,500, then we may see this next target of 25,843. That's not going to happen in this week, so let's take a chill. What is going to happen in immediate future? Immediately kya ho sakta hai? So if we can see that this is the first leg of up move, and this is the retracement that is taking place. So whenever it just takes off from here, the likely target that I'm expecting can be 24,500, right? 24,400, 24,500. So this 24,435 is going to be my first target. Let's just take this leaf out from here and use it. Right, so this 24,435 is one target, right? And if we manage to move above this, then we'll be able to see the next target. So this 24,700 can be our next target. For now, the range, in my opinion, is going to be somewhere around, currently we are trading at 23,900. So 23,700 and 24,500 is where I am looking at, right? So this is what the expectation is for the weekly range. Right, this is pretty much all I think is possible in case of Nifty. It may just keep on going below, right? On Monday, may take a support somewhere near this 50% level. 50% level is 23,850. So somewhere around this 23,850, 840, we should get a support. And from those levels, we should ideally, technically should start bouncing again. Remember this entire phase wherein we are looking at this entire trend on a daily chart. If we see, this is in a way a sideways action unless and until the highs of 24,800 are taken out, right? So we'll manage our expectations, and the bullish move should have a follow-up, and that is the ideal case scenario. If at all, for some reason, if this low is taken out, then that will not be a good sign for the market in coming months. So let us hope for good, and let this price should start moving in an upwardly manner is what my expectation is. And soon I think we should move above this 24,225 and then reach to 24,435 is the expectation. So again and again I keep on saying, when the next bullish action is possible above this 22,000, so then this high is pretty much important. So price has to remain above this so as to continue the bullish bias. If it falls back again below this particular level, then it kind of become unsustainable move, and it can remain in a sideways phase for a little longer time is what the expectation is. This is about Nifty. Let's quickly move on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, my analysis was pretty spot on. I was very clear with whatever expectations we had, and I kept on mentioning that, see, Bank Nifty is a troubled index as of this moment, because Bank Nifty has spent a lot of time in this particular range, and because it has spent a lot of time in a range, it is taking time to move above this particular range. Now, it was going good for Bank Nifty since November end, but after this fall, this vicious fall, it will again take some time for Bank Nifty to perform. Probably once it is above 52,000 level, then it might start showing some kind of a better performance, I would say. But for now, for a bullish bias in Bank Nifty, we need Bank Nifty to sustain above this 51,740. पहले ये लेवल तो पार करो भैया, फिर आगे के बारे में सोचेंगे. And once it crosses above this, then the next leg of 52,000 and a target above that 52,000 is possible. But also similarly, if you take a look, this is the first leg of a rally. This is the retracement, a slow retracement that's taken place, and now this is kind of a sideways phase. So this sideways phase needs to be tackled first, and once it crosses above this, then we can see a good bullish move. But now I'll just remove this reference points, or you can use it for next target calculations. So from this low to this high, the first possible target right now at this moment comes to 51,994. That's about 52,000, right? So lagbhag 52,000 is what is expected. So let me just grab this. So my first target is going to be 52,000, and my second target is going to be 52,400. That is here. 52,404 or 52,000. Let's calculate 52,400. Make it simple. I prefer to book a little early, right? So don't want to keep a hassle. Because at this moment we have to keep our targets as conservative targets. No need to expect a miracle in a day. Right, so 51,991 is, these are the two targets that I'm expecting right now. This is just the gap level which needs to be filled. So essentially first and foremost is that we should accomplish to this level of 52,000. Bank Nifty appears weaker, right? So for me, this low of 49,787 is crystally important, very important. And if this is taken out, then the all hell broke loose. We had calculated a head and shoulder breakdown target of 3000 points. That target will start below these levels. So as long as we are holding these levels, some accumulation, some consolidation is going on, we are happy, nothing to complain, nothing to worry about. Let us give some time to market, let it come out of this particular range bound scenario, because I remember in 2018 also, 2018-19, we had seen a similar kind of a situation wherein the market was sideways for a longer period of time. Let me just show you quickly. So option G, and 2018-19, I believe it was October. Let's calculate, let's keep it 20th. So this was one phase where the market was sideways for a very long period of time, Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, right? This was the phase, and then after March it just took off randomly, right? So these kind of things are possible. When I last mentioned about a slow correction or a period where market keeps on in a range, that time Nifty was in a sideways kind of a rut, and all these patterns, they keep on printing. We just have to keep on following the important lows and highs. As long as you are following Dow theory, you need not worry about what trend the market is currently. If we avoid the aggressive position sizing, one simple thought is that you cannot make your lifetime worth of profits in one single trade. So if you manage your position sizing carefully, right, smartly, then there is money to be made every day in every trade, and just have to be patient, smartly करते रहो, शांति से अपना setup trade करते रहो, everything is possible, right? So keep it simple, and let's meet in the coming week. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm signing off. Bye bye.